Hi, my name is Holly Walsh, and I'm doing my presentation on why we should use Google in the classroom. And if I were to present this to a board, whether it be administration, teachers, this would be why. Why are we going or want to go Google? We're being able to discover a world of many resources and having a supportive backing for our students. So they are able to look into what is available to them to figure out real world problems within the digital tools and resources that are given to them. We're able to choose which device we want to use it at any time and anywhere. Collaboration is huge. We're working together and using Google's collaborative app. And teachers use it so many different ways, and it gives the students a chance to learn, whether it be communication via Hangouts or email, webmails, etc. We're trying to keep the cost down, and it's easy to manage. So the benefits for Google and higher education is we want to be able to keep the cost down in the schools, not higher the cost. What is feasible for the students? What is feasible for parents and teachers? Google in education and motivating the students to use it will only make it a more positive experience for everyone involved. Motivation and collaboration go hand in hand, and if we can all come together and get involved with a great program such as Google, I think you will see many great benefits to that. Why Gmail? Because it has a better search engine. Google has a lot more knowledge than Bing. So many schools now are using Chromebooks, and Google Classroom is their main source of assignments, teacher gradebooks, and communication between student, parent, and teachers. This is huge for schools because I feel that as a community we can benefit from doing this. I think Google will continue to always examine and fix things, grow, and make things better. It's a huge benefit, so I'm not trying to sway you, but this is free, easy to use, so many things tools and apps and extensions they can add to it. Google Calendar. Yes, a calendar, you think, oh, just a calendar. No, calendars are great because you can put up reminders about assignments, appointments, meeting with administration or parents. You have so many choices. You can color code things. You can translate it into different languages for parents. Send an invite to the calendar. It's beneficial, and can have a huge impact on education by keeping students and parents on track with what their students are doing. There are so many tutorials for Google. You can search the web and listen and watch for different tutorials and see how you feel about it and how your opinion will impact the decision you make in regards to your school. But there's many great benefits, as I said. Google Drive. You can get access to files anywhere through cloud. File backup your photos, videos, files. It's fun for all ages. As you can see, there's a couple things here show you what you can do, and things are saved automatically. You don't have to save them manually. It's great. Google Docs, easy to use. It has a spell checker. It corrects your mistakes. So many things. You can share your document and save. The autosave is amazing. You can add multiple things to your add-ons. Teachers can come in and grade and make remarks and check off what is wrong and what you need to edit. Google Sheets, great for administration, secretaries, teachers. If you need to schedule meetings, you can put in students' names, their grades, do a database for them. finances for the school. Huge. Google Forms is great for teachers because you can create a survey for families, for students, and it comes right back to you. And then you can take your results and go from there and see how you can better yourself or the students in the classroom. Google Drawings is fun. It takes a little bit to use, but it's great. Kids can do what they want with their drawings and add things and be very creative. Google Slides is best for students because it's much more functional and easier to use. Students will benefit from using Google Slides. Plus, it's free. It's easier than PowerPoint, I believe, although it doesn't have many themes, but I'm sure you can find some online. When you're comparing Google Classroom and Blackboard, I feel Google Classroom is the easiest to use. Blackboard is not great, so when you use Google Classroom, it's easy to get into the webmails, where to find things. It's not hiding, and it's there. So, to make this a great ending to a presentation, I would say go for Google Classroom. It would be a huge benefit for your schools, and it's free, and teachers and students will love it. Thank you, and have a good day.